Hello everyone! I have a very nice product over here I would like to share it with you. It's baby bottle drying rug. It's very nicely designed. It's compact, so it won't take much space on your countertop since it utilizes vertical space, which is very convenient. It also designed with 12 hooks that easily accommodate 12 baby bottles up to 11 ounces, and the hooks are designed with 45 degrees angle that allows water drain fast, prevents it from accumulating and bacteria grow. Besides that, it also designed with big storage tray underneath for other small baby bottle parts or anything else you find it useful for. And additionally, it comes with a storage on the top and bottle brush holders as well. And this drying rug also well made out of high quality plastic. It's non-toxic, BPA free and durable. It's also very simple to put together and take it apart for cleaning. This baby bottle rug is very nice. I love the quality. It's so useful and convenient. It also comes in two colors, gray and green, so you can choose the one you prefer the best. It's definitely a great addition to any home with babies. I would highly recommend it to you.